Let's get ready. Today is the first day of our pop-up, so I'm going to do a very natural makeup look because I'm going to be in a tennis outfit. Even though I'm going to be wearing a mask and this is probably irrelevant, I'm going to go in with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk because I still want a good base. And I'm using the Persona Power Brush and just buffing this in. A little bit of NARS concealer to highlight and conceal my under eyes because I need it. Okay, going in with Persona in Dune. This is my favorite color. And lately I've been doing these little circle dots. I don't know if it's more for fun or if it actually makes a difference, but I've kind of been really enjoying the look after. So I'm gonna do this. So this entire collection is gonna be featured today at the pop-up, today and tomorrow. So if you guys are in the area, stop by. We'll be at Studs on Melrose Place. You can shop all their jewelry, you can get your ears pierced, and of course we'll have the entire Dreamstick collection for you guys to check out, shop. We'll also have some exclusive limited edition merch for you, so come on over and hang out. Okay, I'm using Sahara on my eyelids because I actually want my eyelids to be just a little bit darker, and obviously when you blend this, it's not as dark as it looks. It really blends beautifully, so I'm just making sure that it's nice and blended. See? I'm going to use my Dominique Cosmetics cream blush. This is so pretty. It's called Warm Peach. I'm just going to smile and pop a little bit on the apples of my cheeks. And the reason why we're even having a pop-up is because of this launch, the 24 karat gold highlighter. So this is basically a face balm with real 24 karat gold in there. So you can wear this before your makeup, you can wear it after your makeup. It just gives you that beautiful dewy skin and it just looks stunning in the sun or when the light hits, and it's very natural, as you can see, super natural. And you can wear this on your eyelids, you can wear it on your lips. It's got shea butter, squalane, and white tea extract, lots of goodness, and I absolutely am obsessed with it. Now I'm just going to fill in my brows. This is Swipe Up in Warm Brown. I'm just filling it in and also brushing it upwards at the same time because, you know, I'm lazy. A little bit of brown eyeliner just to elongate my eyes, and I always like to put this on the outer corners. And I lied, this is not brown, this is the plum from Persona, but you know what? It's close enough, so it'll do. Also applying this on the inner rim. A little bit of mascara. This is one of my favorites. It's by Gucci. I feel a little pale, so I'm going to apply just a little bit of Georgia, a little almond lip liner. Here's the final look. I'll have the pop-up info in the caption. I hope to see you there.